So there you go guys. So after a day, ito na po yung first update for the personal ref. Kung gumagana ba siya talaga. Well, maganda yung ref. So far, wala siyang noise. Wala naman kayo naririnig na buzzing sound coming from it right now. And let me show you what's inside the ref. Everything is working so far. So, ayan. Here's the freezer. So far, it's working. Ang tigas na po mo. Butter na binili ko. Then, sa baba. Tada! Okay, this may regulator din siya doon. Max, medium, and then low. So, to be honest, worth it naman po yung purchase na ginawa natin from Shopee sa Fujiden Suno brand Tudor. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.